Number one, integrity. What is integrity and why is it important? Integrity is a core quality that every leader must possess. You cannot run a business, organization, university successfully if you lack integrity. You cannot lead anyone without integrity. Self development author Brian Tracy said that whenever he holds a strategic business meeting, the first value every executive agrees upon is integrity. Business leaders know that integrity is the foundation of good leadership, and one must stand for their beliefs. No matter how hard a situation, a good leader inspires his principles without compromising. They refrain from making false promises or taking shortcuts, from choosing thoughts and actions over personal gain. Delivering the said promises are ethically and morally grounded to pay the dividend in the long run. I heard of a great definition for integrity when I was working for the Far East Bank before they were bought out by BPI or Bank of Philippine Islands. My IT director at the time said that integrity is doing what is right even when nobody is looking. I repeat, integrity is doing what is right even when nobody is looking. It's interesting. If you look at the life and of the people around us, doing the right thing is easy when there is an audience, when there are people who can see us. We are compelled to do the right thing when there are people's, colleagues, friends, families around us. When our son's Yaya was on her third year with us, we had an instance where we left about 4,000 pesos on top of our bedroom dresser, together with an expensive watch. My wife and I were in a hurry to go somewhere and absent mindedly left the money and the watch. Our helper cleaned up the master's bedroom as she normally does. When we got home and entered the master's bedroom, the money and the watch was still on top of the dresser. The room was obviously cleaned. Doing the right thing even when nobody is looking. Now that's integrity. When an employee comes to you and badmouths another colleague, what do you do? How do you react? How you react will reflect your level of integrity. If you take on her side, do you immediately jump into conclusion? Would you say that you are a leader with integrity if you jump into a conclusion without hearing out the other person? Do you do the right thing even when the accused person is not in the room? How would you handle this situation?